Hey everybody, Nikki here with Black Dog Vintage and Antiques, and I'm coming to you with a static sale. This is a Spirit of 74 because I was born in 74, so celebrating my birthday coming up. So everything today is going to be $7 or $4, and it's all from the 70s. So how this is going to work is first person to comment below the number, excuse me, of the item that you want will be the winner of that item. I'll respond back in the comments. And like I said, everything's going to be $7. Everything's going to be $4. I'll show you the item, then I'll show you a picture with the number and the price again. So let's get to it. Okay, so first up, I have this hand-drawn owl picture from 1974. It's dated right down there, 1974, and signed. It is hand-drawn. It is on kind of like a piece of linen. It is already framed. It does have glass, so it is already framed, and a nice little inscription on the back as well. So if you're interested in this guy, he'll be number 20 for $7. Okay, next up I have this little wooden letterbox. I really like this little piece. It's got some pyrography there, which is burned wood. It is hand carved out, and I like this piece. Not that this little lady is going to be for sale, but I like this piece because it actually can show off a bunch of postcards, ephemera, what have you. It's a really great display piece. There's no way to hang it, so it does sit on a shelf, and this will be $14, number 4. Okay, next up I have a set of 4, all different colors. If I hold them together like that, you can see they're all slightly different colors, and they are glass coasters. They all have the same maritime motif on them. So we've got a light blue, we've got a very pale bluish color, we have a green, and the amber. So this set of 4 is going to be $7, number 9. Okay, next up I have this trivet. It is ceramic and cast iron. It is a Rossini. And here's its original ShopRite sticker sitting here on the back. It was 79 cents back in the day. Today, not 79 cents. So if you're interested in this guy right here, he's going to be number 7, $4. All right, next up I have a piece of Avon glass. This is a German Shepherd. His head is plastic, body is glass. This is the Noble Prince. He does come with his box. So he has his box, some really cool graphics on there, whole write-up on German Shepherds and whatnot on there as well. So you get both all together. It is empty, so I don't have to worry about emptying it. And this is going to be number 4 for $4. All right, next I have this little Unesco piece. I'm calling it my dog duo. They do have some paint loss around their mouths, but they're really, really cute and very funky. They kind of remind me of something that would have been out there late 60s, early 70s with their elongated look. Not super tall either. And if you're interested in my dog duo, this will be number 1 for $7. And I know these were all the craze, like the Willow ones are today and Jim Shore. These were all the craze in the 70s. How long will I love you? Only always. Aww. And this is 1979 on the bottom there. So this cute little girl right here, she is going to be $4, number 10. Next up, I have, and I'm always coming across these. So when I come across them, I pick them up. I've got pressed flower art here. The browns and the golds, all from the 70s, total 70s vibe. They are pressed in glass, surrounded by iron. You'll get both of them because they both have matching shapes. And the both of these are going to be number 2 for $7. $7, number 2. I got this little cutie up next. How cute are these guys? So they're little egg shapes that are painted into birds. This is a real piece of bark here, and then hand painted flowers. It's just a little wooden square. There's no way to hang it or anything. So just a tiny little wooden square. And I just kind of thought it was cute. It might even be really neat like around Christmas time too because of the colors. And by around then, we're going to want to be seeing flowers, right? So if you're interested in this piece, this is going to be number 5 for $7. All right, next up, I have the only brooch I'm going to sell today. I have this little guy right here. And I always thought I was a fall baby, even though I was born mid-September and technically it's still summer. I always considered myself a fall baby. So I've got these pretty little fall leaves. They do have some really gorgeous little rhinestones there in the center. I just watched Lord of the Rings, so this kind of reminds me the leaves of Lorraine, that the pin that they wore here to keep their cloaks closed. And if you're interested in this guy right here, he's going to be number 38 for $4. All right, next up I have a piece that's technically not from the 70s, but it has a 70s vibe. So here, I'm going to show you this really pretty little piece of glass. It is beveled. It is signed down there. We've got butterflies and marigolds and a really pretty little hanger. Really great little piece of window art. So if you're interested in my butterfly glass, this is going to be number 25 for $4. Next up, I have one of my favorite pieces. Now, I'm going to be honest. I have no idea what this piece is for. I would say it's for like maybe a pillar candle or something along those lines. So it is a teardrop shape, and here is the opening, and it is all an acrylic resin. But what I love is the little feet, and I'm going to try really hard to get them to show up. They're all little iridescent birds. So it's 3-footed little iridescent birds with pressed black-eyed Susans in the center. And I do think a candle would fit in the center of this. I'm just, spitballing here. So if you're interested in this piece, it's going to be number 32 for $7. And I am the black dog, but I've got some red dogs. So these are little salt and pepper shaker guys. One side says salt. Let's see if I can take that off. There you go. And the other side says pepper. Now one of them, yeah, it's the salt, is missing his base. He is missing his base. Pepper has his base right there. They were just really cute little guys. And I see these pieces, I've seen these, but I haven't seen them sold with the little doggy house. So if you're interested in the dog salt and pepper shakers, they're going to be number 41 for $7. And the last item I have, 14 items because I was born on the 14th of September. The last item I have is this little bluebird piece. This is from the late 70s. The gear is on the bottom. It's just, look at how sweet the little bluebird is, carrying his little wildflowers. So this is Design Collections. And I'm not going to get that to show up really good, but I believe this is 1979, if memory serves. And it's just a little mini ceramic basket, just a little guy. So if you're interested in this cute little guy, he's going to be number 52 for $7. thank you. That's all my stuff. That's all 14 items. I appreciate you hanging around here with me. I do live sales on YouTube every Monday, 1 p.m. with Claudia K Vintage. We do a glass with class sale. We discuss certain glass pieces. We talk about the topic. We try and sell a few pieces that fit into the topic. Doesn't always work out because sometimes you can't find it. And we do flip-flop channels, so please make sure you're subscribed to both of us. I also am selling more over on Whatnot. It's just a little bit easier for me. And I'm selling over there every Tuesday and Wednesday at 3 p.m. Really cool stuff. And I will have all of that linked below. So make sure you check that out. And until next time, everyone, stay swanky and stay classy.